Chapter 5, Lesson 5, Draw a Diagram for Addition. I'm going to go over two different types of problems where we can draw a diagram to help us add multi-digit numbers. The first that we're going to look at, and the first problem, is a story problem. And it's Andy and Goosey catch 17 crickets in all. Andy catches 9 crickets. So how many crickets does Goosey catch? So I'm going to draw my picture, and the information that I know is that there are 17 crickets in all. So let me draw my 17 crickets. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Doesn't really matter how I draw them, whatever works best for me. So, now I know that Andy, he has 9 crickets. So, let me draw a circle around Andy's crickets. So, I'm going to count 9 because I know that all of them are 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9 crickets. So these are all Andy's crickets. I need to figure out how many crickets Goosey caught. So I know that there were 17 and Andy caught 9. So if I want to make that into an addition sentence, I'm going to do 9 plus blank equals 17. Since I drew my picture, now all I have to do are count the number of crickets that were left after I circled Andy's. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 crickets left. So Goosey must have 8 crickets. So 9 plus 8 must equal 17. So I have 17 crickets in total, and Andy had 9. That means that Goosey must have 8. Let's take a look at another way that we can do this. If Joanna likes to draw flowers so much, she drew 5 flowers. So, let's write Joanna and let's draw her 5 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are Joanna's 5 flowers. Now, Elizabeth, she really likes to draw flowers, so she drew 4 more flowers than Joanna did. So let's label Elizabeth. And since I'm not really sure what 4 more flowers more than Joanna is, I'm going to use my number line. Now, I know that Joanna has 5, so that's where I'm going to start. So I'm going to look for 5 on my number line, which is right here. And there are 4 more flowers that Elizabeth has. So that means I'm going to add 4 to the number 5. So I start here and add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That gives me 9. Let's do it again just to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Elizabeth has 9. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now they're equal. And then I'm going to add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's count Elizabeth's in total. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Elizabeth has 9 flowers and Joanna has 5 flowers. So how many flowers did they draw in all? I know 5 plus 9 must be equal to something, so let me get my number line out again. And I'm going to start with 5 because that's what Joanna has, and then I'm going to add 9 because that's the number that Elizabeth has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.